Hello friends, come to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to configure wide area networks. Now see, here we are going to take an example. Within this, we are going to consider wide area network in different cities. And this diagram shows here we are using two different routers, router 0 and router 1. You can give name to these routers also. After that, I'm using two different switches. One is connected with router 0, another switch is connected to router 1. Again, here switch 0 is connected to end device PC0, you can give name. Again, here this switch PC1, switch 1 is connected to PC1. And here two routers are connected serially from router 0 to router 1. So in this way, we are going to implement wide area network. So network devices required for this implementation are you need two end devices, that is two PCs. Again, two Cisco 2960 switches. After that, two Cisco 2911 routers. Straight through cable for connecting switch and PC. Again, we need serial high-speed WAN card. So why we need this? Because we are implementing wide area network, and for this network speed should be there. So increase the speed, or to create the high speed network, we need this WAN cards, that is HWIC2T. Again, serial link for router to router communication. Means here router to router we are connecting by using the serial link, and here from router to switch or switch to PC we are going to use the copper straight through cable. Now see friend, this is IP address table which we are going to use within this. Now here I have used two routers. So I have given names to that router, Muscat router and Salala router. And these Muscat and Salala are the names of the different cities in Oman countries. So for example, I have taken names of these routers. And again, this Muscat router is connected through gigabit interface as well as serial. And these are the different IP addresses used for these routers and PCs. So we are going to use this IP address table. Now let's start with the implementation. For this, within search box, you have to type Cisco Packet Tracer. Now friends, here already I have installed Cisco Packet Tracer. If you want to see how to install Cisco Packet Tracer, then please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Cisco Packet Tracer. Now see here showing the name of application Cisco Packet Tracer. So just double click on it so that it will get opened. If you see the bottom left corner, different networking and end devices will be there. So from this, first we are going to select end devices. Okay, from end devices, once you click here on end devices, it will show the list of end devices available here. Okay, from this select the required device. So here I will be selecting PC 0 and PC 1. You can change the name of this PC also. Suppose this PC is in Muscat city. Just you have to double click here so that it will allow to change the name. And here this PC is in Salala city. Now we need a router and switches also. And these are the network devices. So you have to click here on network devices. Now see friend, if you want to increase the fonts within the Cisco Packet Tracer, then you have to open the options, then preferences, and select the font option and increase the size of font and just click apply. Okay, so that font size of your this application will get increased. Now here I will click on end devices, network end devices. Again, from this end devices, I want switch. So I will click on switch. Once I click on switch, here it will show the list of switches available. So from this, I am going to take 2960 switch. So just you have to drag and drop the required switch here. So I will drag and drop the required switches here. Now I want to add router. So again from network devices, I will click on this routers option so that it will show the list of available routers here. From this list, I want to select this 2911 router. So just drag and drop the required router. Now see, here I want to give names to this router as Muscat router and here Salala router. Now it's time to establish connectivity between all these devices. Now see, to establish connection, what we have to do, if you see bottom left corner, you will get this icon. It is used for the connections. So once you click here, it will show the list of connections available here. Okay. Now friends, if you are at beginner stage or you are confused, you are not getting which type of cable here you have to select, because here you will get the different cables, one for console, copper straight through cable, again copper crossover cable, fiber optic cable. So what you will do in case, here you have to select this type of cable, automatic choose connection type. So by using these devices or according to devices, it will automatically select the required cable. So what I will do, first you have to press Ctrl and just click on this icon. Okay. Now this icon is enabled. So just establish a connection between required devices. So I want this Muscat PC to be connected with the switch. So just you have to drag and drop on that device so that connection will get established. Now I want this switch 0 is to be connected with the Muscat router. Okay. Again, I want this router is serially connected with this Salala router. Muscat router is connected with Salala router. Okay. Again, established connection. Again, from Salala router to switch and switch to Salala PC. Like this, you can establish connection and again click on this icon so that your selected type will get disabled. As per your requirement, you can move these devices also. I will be moving like this. Okay. Now we will start with the configuring the IP address. For that purpose, what we have to do, first select the router 0 or Muscat router. Within that, we will insert the high-speed WAN interface card. So once you double click on this router, you will get window like this having name as a Muscat router. Now within this, we want this type of card. So HWIC2T. So I will select this type of card. But before that, just zoom in this window. Now see, here you will be able to identify the button. Okay, here it's showing green line. It means that the switch is on right now. Okay, so just off this or switch and just drag and drop this interfacing card any available slot. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 slots are there. In any slot you can drag and drop this interfacing card. After placing that interfacing card, again you have to on this switch. Okay, now we have inserted card for the Muscat router. Similarly, we will insert the card for the Salala router. So on Salala router, double click on Salala router. Again, you have to select the interfacing card. Zoom in so that you will be able to get the where is the button. Again, first you have to off the button, then place the interfacing card. Again, switch on it. Because when that switch is on, at that time you cannot insert this card into the slot. Okay, that's why first you have to off the switch and insert the card. Then again you have to switch on. Now close this router also. Now we will pass the IP addresses. Now to pass IP addresses, we are going to refer this table. Now see, Muscat router is having interfaces connected with a serial cable and gigabit 00 address. So what we will do? First we will take Muscat router with gigabit of 00 and IP address is used is 192.168.1.1. Okay. So what I will do? I will select the Muscat router. Within that configuration, gigabit Ethernet of 00, you have to switch on. And then you have to pass IP addresses 192.168, 192.168.1.1, and just click on this subnet mask. It will get generated automatically. Now see, within this IP address for interface gigabit, it is having IP address of 192.168.1.1. So we have taken this IP address, subnet mask is automatically generated. Now again for Muscat router, it is having the serial connection and its IP address is 192.168.3.1. So again, for the Muscat router only, serial connection, again switch it on, IP address 192.168.3.1. And once you click here, subnet mask will get automatically generated. And don't forget to switch on this cable. Again here also gigabit Ethernet, you have to switch on it and you have to pass the IP address. Now we have done to set IP address for this router. Again open the Salala router. Same process we are going to do. Open the configuration. If you observe here within Salala router, again it is having gigabit Ethernet of interface 00, having address 192.168.2.1. So gigabit Ethernet 00, switch on it, 192.168.2.1. Again serial cable, select the serial cable having IP address Salala router with serial cable 192.168.3.2. 192.168.3.2, and don't forget to switch on it and subnet mask will get automatically generated. Now close this window. Now open the Muscat PC, or you can say PC 0. Again PC 0, you will see the interface with address 192.168.1.2. So PC 0, again you have to select desktop, IP configuration, and fast Ethernet 0 already selected. So here you have to pass the IP address, and IP address for PC 0 is 192.168.1.2. So 192.168.1.2. Again just click here, you will get subnet mask, and default gateway given within this IP address table for PC 0 is 192.168.1.1. You pass the default gateway here. The default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. This will be default gateway. Now close the window for Muscat PC. Again open the Salala PC. Double click on it. Again configuration. Again click on desktop. IP configuration. Now if you observe within the table, PC1 having interface of 0 and IP address will be 192.168.2.2. So I will type here 192.168.2.2. Just click here and subnet mask will get generated automatically. Now we'll pass the default gateway for this, and default gateway is 192.168.2.1. 192.168.2.1. This will be default gateway. Just close this. If you observe this IP address table, networks involved are 192.168.1, again 192.168.2, 192.168.3. Means all this network we have to register on routing information protocol. So for that purpose, what we will do, again click on the router, select the RIP. Again here you have to pass the address 192.168.1.0. Add the network. Again 192.168.2.0. Add the network. Again 192.168.3.0. Add the network. Now these networks are added with Muscat router. Okay. Now close this window. Similarly, we have to add the network for Salala router also. So I will pass the value 192.168.1.0. Again I will add this network. Just click on this add button. Again 192.168.2.0. Add this network. Again 192.168.3.3.0 and add this network and close the window. Now see, if you want to delete any kind of networking device or cable, so how to delete it? You have to select this icon for delete and just select the device which you want to delete. Okay. Now here I want to use the serial connection. So I will select the type of connection and here just establish the serial connection. Okay. So previously it was saying gigabit. That's why I have deleted that cable and again I have inserted new cable. So it is showing me serial cables, because while assigning the IP addresses we have given router with serial cable. That's why whatever cable is added here, that is with serial connection. Now friends, in Salala router we are using interface gigabit of 00 and serial port. Okay, that's why make sure that here you are using interface 00 and for this router to router connection serial port. I have selected this delete icon, then delete the connection and again select the connection type and again re-establish the connection. Now see, it is automatically taking the value gigabit of 00 and fast Ethernet 01 and serially it is connected with this route. You can use command line interface also. You have to select the PC, use the command from and just check whether that machine is reachable or not. So from Muscat PC I want to check whether Salala PC is reachable or not. So what I will do, ping 192.168.2.2, which is IP address of Salala machine or PC and just hit the enter key. Now see, it is showing packet sent 4, received 4, lost 0. Means this machine is reachable. So once again we will try to send the PDO, select the PDO, select the source and destination. Now see, here it is showing the status for the packets whatever you are sending. Okay. Again, from this machine also you can send the packet by using command prompt. So for that purpose you have to double click on the PC. Again you will get command prompt option, and here you have to type the command ping. Ping command is used to check the reachability between two machines. So again, ping 192.168.1.1.2, which is nothing but IP address of our Muscat PC. Just hit the enter key. Now see, it shows packet sent 4, received 4 and lost 0. Means machine is reachable and you can forward the packages. Now see, here it is showing the results when you are sending the packages. Success, that is the status. Again, source and destination, Muscat, Salalah, whatever is source destination it is taking, and its transaction result which is displaying here. Suppose once again I am sending this from Muscat PC to Salalah. So I will see the updated transaction. It's success. Okay, and here it's a record, it is displaying here. So in this way you can establish wide area network. You can use high speed WAN cards within this. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.